Hello, friends. Welcome back to Conversation English Beginner. This is the place for easy English practice. We make simple stories and conversations for beginners. We use slow, clear speech and basic words. You can listen, repeat, and learn naturally. Today, we have a long, imaginative story for you, a magic door. Relax, listen carefully, and let's begin. My name is Ben. I am 8 years old, and I live in a small, yellow house with a blue roof. There is a big garden with a large tree that I love to play under. I have a dog named Max. He is brown and he is my best friend. We play together every single day. Today is Saturday and it is a rainy day. The sky is gray and I am sad because I cannot play in the garden. I am in my room, looking out the window at the loud rain. Max is sleeping on the floor. I am so bored, so I read a book about pirates. It is a good book, but I am still bored because I really want to play outside. Suddenly, I hear a strange sound. It is not the rain. It is a click, click, click sound coming from the garden. I look out the window, but I see nothing, only rain and the big tree. Max hears the sound too. He wakes up, goes to the window, and barks, woof. Woof. I look again, and now I see something small and gray under the big tree. But what is it? I do not know. I quickly put on my coat and my boots, and then I go to the garden with Max. The rain is cold. We walk to the big tree on the wet grass, and my boots get wet. Under the tree, it is dry, and I see the small gray thing. It is a door. A very small door in the tree. I am sure it is a magic door, but it is only for small people or animals. It is too small for me. The door has a very small keyhole, so I look around on the grass and under the leaves. Max looks too and sniffs the ground. Max finds something. It is a small silver key. I take the key, put it in the keyhole. It fits. I turn the key, click. The door opens, and I am so excited. The door opens slowly. Behind it, it is dark. Then a warm, yellow light comes out. I close my eyes because the light is bright, then I open them. The door is not small now. It is big. It is my size. It is a normal door now. This is magic. I am so surprised, and Max is surprised too. He barks one time, woof. I open the door wide and see a path made of white stones that glow and give light. The path goes into a forest with pink leaves and a purple sky. It is not rainy here. It is warm and dry. I hear birds singing a beautiful song. It is a different world, a magic world. I walk on the path with Max next to me. We walk slowly and look at everything. The pink leaves are beautiful and the air smells like flowers. Then I see a small house made of cookies and candy. The roof is chocolate, the walls are gingerbread, and the windows are sugar. A creature comes out. It is a rabbit. But this rabbit is big, walks on 2 legs, and wears a small hat. "Hello," says the rabbit. "My name is Pippin. Welcome to Sweet Forest." Hello, Pippin. I say, my name is Ben, and this is Max. Nice to meet you, Ben and Max, says Pippin. Would you like a cookie? Pippin gives me a chocolate chip cookie from his wall. It is delicious, and Max gets a bone-shaped dog biscuit from the garden. Max is very happy. Pippin looks sad and says, "We have a problem. The sugar spring is sick. It gives water to Sweet Forest. The water is sweet and good. But now the water is sour. The trees are sad, and the flowers are not happy. We need help. I want to help." I say, "What can I do?" Pippin is happy and says, "You need to find the crystal heart. It is in the crystal cave. The cave is far. You need to cross the Jelly River and go through the Marmalade Mountains." That is a long journey, I say. But I can try. Pippin gives me a map made of candy paper. It is sweet, and I can eat it later. Max and I say goodbye to Pippin and follow the map. The path goes deeper into Sweet Forest. The trees are tall and the pink leaves fall slowly. It is like pink snow. It is so beautiful. After a long walk, we see the Jelly River. The river is not water, it is red strawberry jelly. It smells sweet and moves slowly. How can we cross? There is no bridge. So, I look at the map. It says, "Find the spoon boat." I look around, and I see a big spoon in the jelly. It is a giant spoon boat. "Come, Max," I say. We get on the spoon boat, and it moves slowly on the jelly. It is fun. Max tries to eat the jelly, and I try it too. It is delicious strawberry jelly. We eat a little, and then we cross the river. Next, we see the Marmalade Mountains. They are orange and yellow, made of orange marmalade, and they are very sticky. We need to climb. It is difficult. My hands and clothes are sticky. Max's fur is sticky too. But we climb slowly, step by step, for a long time. Finally, we are at the top. We are tired. The view is amazing. We can see all of Sweet Forest. It is beautiful. But wait. There is a guard, a small, green, and friendly dragon that sleeps in front of the crystal heart. The dragon snores. How can we take the crystal heart? I have an idea. I have a cookie from Pippin's house, so I put it near the dragon's nose. The dragon smells the cookie, wakes up, eats it, and is happy. Then it goes to sleep again in a different place. Now we can take the crystal heart. I take it carefully. It is not heavy, and it is warm. We go back, crossing the Marmalade Mountains and the Jelly River again. It is a long walk, and we are very tired. Finally, we see Pippin's cookie house. Pippin is waiting and cries, "You have it." Pippin is very happy. We go to the sugar spring, a small fountain with cloudy and sad water. I put the crystal heart in the water. Something magical happens. The crystal heart glows brightly. The water becomes clear and sparkly. The sweet smell returns. The trees around the spring become bright pink again, and the flowers dance. The sugar spring is fixed. All the animals of Sweet Forest come, rabbits, birds, squirrels, and friendly bees. They are all happy and have a big party for us. They give us cakes, pies, and sweet drinks. Max gets a big bone made of biscuit. We eat, sing, and dance. It is the best party, and I am very happy. But then I think of my home and my parents. It is late, and I need to go home. I say goodbye to all my new friends. Pippin is sad but understands and says, "Visit again, Ben. You are always welcome here." Pippin gives me a small bag of magic candy and says, "This candy never finishes." I thank Pippin. Then Max and I walk back on the white stone path to the magic door. We go through the door and are back in my garden. The door becomes small again. I close the small door and take the key. The rain has stopped and the sky is clear. The sun is setting. It is orange and pink and beautiful. My mother calls me Ben. "Max, time for dinner." I put the small key in my pocket and Max and I go inside. We are tired but very, very happy. Now, the small door is my secret and Max's secret too. Sometimes on boring days, I go to the garden, take the small key and open the small door. The door becomes big and I visit my friends in Sweet Forest. We eat cookies, drink from the sugar spring, and play games. I am never bored now. I am Ben. I am 8 years old. I live in a yellow house and have a dog named Max. And I have a magic door in my garden. My life is an adventure. Thank you for listening to this very long story. You are very patient. Thank you for practicing English with me. You are a fantastic listener. Goodbye, friends. See you next time for another easy English story.